Welcome to the world of Solana, a blockchain platform renowned for its speed, efficiency, and extremely low gas fees. At the heart of this innovative technology lies a unique approach to data management, the Solana account model, which we will discuss in this episode. Unlike traditional blockchains that store data in blocks, Solana utilizes accounts as the fundamental building block of its ecosystem. Think of account as a digital container capable of storing various types of information crucial to functioning the network. Each account possesses a 32-byte identifier, which is like a unique address. Also, you can call it like a digital fingerprint. This address is essential for locating and accessing the account's data on the Solana network. But what exactly does an account contain? Within each account resides a data structure which is known as AccountInfo, which provides a detailed information about the account's content and status. Well, let's break down the key components of AccountInfo. The first component is data. This field forms the heart of the account, holding the actual information which has to be stored within. The data can range from the executable code of a smart contract to state variables of a decentralized applications. It can vary. The second component is a field, which is a Boolean field which indicates whether the account contains a program or not. The field name is executable. If executable is set to true, then the account can be executed, or we can say essentially the account is a smart contract in the Solana network. Now the third field or component are lamports. Lamports are like the smallest unit of Sol. Sol is the native cryptocurrency of Solana. Basically, when you create a smart contract or an account, to keep data inside it, you need to give some rent to the Solana blockchain. Now, the rent in the Solana blockchain is given via this lamports of Sol. So, when you save some sort of data in the blockchain, you will have to provide rent. For this rent, you will have to deposit some lamports of Sol into your account. That is the third field. And the fourth field is owner. Like every account on Solana has a designated owner, which is typically a program. This owner has exclusive rights to modify the data stored within the accounts and manage its lamport balance. Notably, while only the owner can deduct the balance, anyone can deposit more lamports into the account. Now, as I have talked about rent, let's dive deep into this rent. To store data in an account, a certain amount of Sol, proportional to the data size, must be deposited. This deposit, though referred as rent, acts more like a security deposit, ensuring the account holding the data on the network maintain a minimum Sol balance. This mechanism contributes to the efficiency of the Solana network by discouraging the storage or excessive or unused data. And the best part is that Sol deposit is fully refundable when account is closed. The Solana network is populated by a diverse range of accounts, each playing a specific role in maintaining its functionality and supporting a wide variety of applications. Let's explore some of the key account types that make up this vibrant ecosystem. First, we have native programs. These are built-in programs ingrained within the Solana runtime environment that provide essential functionalities to the network. Two of the most crucial native programs are System Program and the BPF Loader program. Let's focus on the System Program. This is often referred to as the bedrock of Solana network. The System Program governs the creation of new accounts, allocates the necessary space for data storage, and manages the transfer of account ownership. Interestingly, even your Solana wallet is essentially an account owned and managed by a system program. It's also important to know that only accounts owned by the system program can be designated as transaction fee payers. Now coming on to the BPF Loader program. This program is responsible for deploying, upgrading, executing all other programs, including native programs on the Solana blockchain. Essentially, BPF loader acts as the custodian of all the smart contracts deployed on the Solana. So you can consider system program as the program which basically works with the accounts to allocate like storages and then transfer ownership and all this, and the BPF loader is the program which handles smart contracts. Next, we have another type of account, which is sysvar account. These are special accounts that hold real-time information about the state of the Solana cluster. These accounts provide crucial data about the network's current status and performance, enabling applications and users to stay informed and make informed decisions. You can find a complete list of sysvar accounts within the Solana documentation. Now let's talk about another type of programs, which are custom programs. Basically, the smart contracts that power the vast array of decentralized applications built on Solana. These programs are essentially pieces of code stored on the blockchain capable of automatically executing predefined actions when specific conditions are met. Deploying a custom program in Solana involves creating 3 distinct accounts. Yes, this is different from other deploying like smart contracts in other blockchains. Now, what are the 3 distinct accounts? The first is the program account, then the program executable data account, and then the buffer account. Let's give you a quick overview of these 3. The program account serves as the primary representation of the program of the blockchain. It stores the address of the executable data account, which actually holds the program code and the update authority, which determines who is authorized to modify the program. For simplicity, you can think of the program account itself as the program. Now coming to the program executable data account. This account contains the actual executable byte code of the program. Basically, it's where the program's logic instructions are permanently stored on the blockchain. Now coming to the third kind of account, which is the buffer account. This account acts as a temporary holding space for the program's bytecode during the deployment or upgrade process. Once the deployment is complete, the code is transferred to the program executable data account and the buffer account is closed. So it's like a temporary account. The addresses of the program account is what we commonly refer to as program ID. This ID is used to invoke the program and execute its instruction within the transactions. Like, let's say when you deploy a smart contract on the Solana blockchain, you have to interact with the IDL file, which is basically a JSON file, to use the smart contract in your front-end applications. To invoke that program into your front-end application, you need the IDL as well as the program ID. Using this program ID, you can execute its instructions and functions which has been declared inside the program. While programs contain certain logic and instructions, data accounts are where the actual data is associated. In the decentralized application, data accounts are basically where the actual data is stored. These accounts can hold any type of data as defined by the owning program's code. But we need to remember that only system program can create new accounts, including data account. Therefore, creating a data account for a custom program involves 2 processes. The system program is at first invoked to create a new account. During this process, the ownership of the new account is transferred to the desired custom program. The custom program, which is now the owner of the new account, initializes the account data according to its predefined code. This intricate network of accounts each play a distinct role, interacting seamlessly with each other, which forms the backbone of the Solana blockchain. This unique architecture enables the creation of highly efficient and scalable ecosystem capable of supporting a vast array of decentralized applications and services. We have only scratched the surface of the Solana account model. To truly grasp the power and flexibility of the system, I would encourage you to dive deeper into the Solana documentation and start your own journey by learning about Solana and building things upon Solana. Thank you.